Hi! Here is yet another updated video explaining how to install and use the most recent version of Spleeter on macOS. The installation process has changed many times and is very confusing. However, if you follow the steps in this video, you should have Spleeter up and running in no time. All of the instructions, including download links and commands, are on my website, which is linked in the description below. Please refer to the website as we go through each step. Step 1. Spleeter now requires Python version 3.8. By default, most macOS machines have Python version 2.7. One way to upgrade is to install Anaconda. Go to the Anaconda page and download the GUI installer for macOS. Once it has downloaded, start the installer and continue the installation process till it is complete. Step 2. Open the app named Terminal. We can check that we have the correct Python version by typing the following command. Step 3. Type the following command into Terminal or copy it from my website and paste it into Terminal. This will now install the requirements for Spleeter. It may take a while to complete. Step 4. Type the following command or copy it from my website and again paste it into Terminal. This will install Spleeter and may take a while. Step 5. Now let's confirm that Spleeter is installed correctly. Type the following command, which will display the help information for Spleeter. Step 6. You are almost ready to process a song. Find a song you want to process in Finder, and then go back one level to the folder that the song belongs in. In the Terminal app, type CD followed by the spacebar. Then drag the folder that contains your song into Terminal. The terminal should now look something like this. Press the Enter key within the terminal and it will now be pointing to the correct folder. Step 7. Now it's time to process your song. Copy the command from my website and place it into a text editor. Change the mysong.mp3 section to whatever your song is named. Make sure the song name has no spaces. Replace any spaces with underscores. You can also change the command to output 2 stems, 4 stems, or 5 stems. Once you have configured the command, copy and paste it into the terminal window and press Enter. Spleeter will now process your song, which may take a while. When Spleeter is finished, you will notice a new folder named Output has been created in the same folder where your song is. In this folder, you will find the stems created by Spleeter. If you made it this far, congratulations! If not, I have created a website that does the same for you. You just need to upload the song, select the stems and output format, and the website will do the rest. Thank you for watching. I hope this has helped you. Please subscribe to support my channel and give this video a like. Happy spleeting!